Let's try a new Monster energy drink. This is the Monster Nitro Cosmic Peach. As always, we're going to check out the can design first. Put that up to the camera. And you see the nice orange design. I'm not sure exactly what this is supposed to look like. Maybe it's a sunset, but I think it's nice and clean. I like it a lot. If I look at the nutritional values here on this 500 milliliter can, we have 185 calories and 47 grams of carbohydrates, of which 42 grams sugar. That's a lot. Let's open up the can, get this into a glass, and then we're going to have a closer look and a taste. Already the smell is quite peach-like. I'm keen to find out more. Here we have our Cosmic Peach in a glass. Let's put that up to the camera. You can see that the drink is almost completely transparent. It has this nice yellowish orangish color, and it is also carbonated. It did foam when I poured it into the glass. Let's give it a taste. When I looked at the drink in a glass, I did not have particularly strong feelings about the drink design, and I think that also goes for the taste. I guess it's supposed to be peach, but to me it's not a strong peach flavor. It's actually not a strong, clear flavor of anything. I think it's quite generic. It's certainly not a bad flavor, but it's also not something special to recommend it. A pretty middle of the road flavor of Monster Energy. If I compare it to the original Monster Energy Nitro, that one has a lot more character. This is quite a generic soda. So not terrible, but also not my favorite. Learn more about pricing and availability with the link in the description below. And for more energy drink reviews, click or tap the screen right here. Thank you very much for watching 2-minute reviews, and I will see you in the next video.